Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to start a game in Ubisoft Connect. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then you need to write here Ubisoft Connect and then Ubisoft Connect, and then right click on it, open the file location, and then right click on Ubisoft Connect again, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to select this option here, run this program in compatibility mode 4, and also select run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Press apply, okay, and then you need to look at the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem persists, then you need to go to Task Manager, make sure Ubisoft Connect is running on your computer, and then you need to find Ubisoft here, expand the option here, and select Ubisoft Connect 32-bit, and then right click on it, go to details, and then you should find a upc.exe file, and then you need to right click on it again, set priority and to high, change priority, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.